Ever wondered what's the difference between E-Rupee and Digital Rupee in India? Well, it's time to decode the mystery. Imagine a bustling marketplace, full of color, noise, and energy. Now, think of two different currencies being used there. One is the E-Rupee, the other, the Digital Rupee. They might sound similar, but in reality, they have distinct features and uses. Picture the E-Rupee as a gift voucher. It's a form of digital currency, specifically designed for direct benefit transfers. The government issues it to the beneficiaries of various welfare schemes, ensuring that the money is spent for the intended purpose, be it food, fuel, or education. It is a purpose-specific payment tool, like a voucher for a specific store. On the other hand, visualize the Digital Rupee as a universally accepted debit card. It's a central bank digital currency, or CBDC, proposed by the Reserve Bank of India. Unlike E-Rupee, it is not linked to any specific purpose. It is like any other currency in your wallet, only in digital form. You can use it anywhere, for any product or service, just like you use your physical cash. So, while both E-Rupee and Digital Rupee are forms of digital money, their use and purpose set them apart. The E-Rupee, being a direct benefit transfer tool, ensures that government aid reaches the right people and is used for the right purpose. It's like a targeted missile, hitting precisely where intended. This makes it an efficient tool in fighting corruption and leakage in welfare schemes. The Digital Rupee, on the other hand, is a general-purpose currency. It's like a bird flying freely in the sky, unrestricted, and can land wherever it wants. This makes it a flexible tool for day-to-day transactions, and a potential game-changer in India's journey towards a digital economy. To sum up, the E-Rupee and Digital Rupee are two sides of the same coin, both aiming to digitize India's economy. However, while the E-Rupee is a targeted tool for welfare distribution, the Digital Rupee is a universal digital currency for all kinds of transactions. So, the next time you come across these terms, remember the bustling marketplace and the distinct roles these digital currencies play. The E-Rupee, the purpose-specific voucher, and the Digital Rupee, the free-flying digital cash. Together, they are reshaping the landscape of the Indian economy, one digital transaction at a time.